Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tire pressure monitor. Come take a test drive today.